out in the clouds.
Hello mighty monkeys, welcome to our new video. Miss Lina with you today, and today we're going to practice our jolly phonics. So adults, we're going to write on a piece of paper new sounds. This sound is sound g, 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 g. This sound is, do you remember? Oh, good job. This sound is and then for fish. And the last one is B for ball. Good job, everyone. Do you remember the song for the sound G? Let's sing. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. G, 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 g. For the sound O, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. Then sound up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. The next sound is sound. My friends and I went to the beach with our floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. Good job. The last one is sound B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Now we're going to need a book or a magazine and a magnifying glass. And we're going to search for all of these sounds using our magnifying glass. Okay, let's turn the first page. Let's see, sound G. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, there it is. I found it. I'm going to circle sound G. I have found it. Now, the next sound is O. Let me see. Let me see where it is. Oh, there it is. O, and I have found O. Bravo. Now we need the sound Let me see. Look closely. Wow, there it is. I have found one too. Circle it. Then sound. Let's see. Let's turn the page, maybe to the other page. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Okay, found sound. Also, now sound B, B. Let's see. Is it here? No. Is it here? Let's turn the page. Oh, there it is. Okay, found sound B as well. Adults, let's write the name of our little ones on the piece of paper, and they can find all the sounds in the book as well. And I hope you have fun, my little ones. Enjoy your Jolly Phonics lesson. Bye bye.